Thank you for tuning in to the Brach Eichler Talks podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we will discuss an important healthcare law update titled Medical Aid in Dying Act implemented in New York State. Healthcare providers across New York State are now grappling with implementation of the Medical Aid in Dying Act, S-138/A-136. Signed into law by Governor Hochul on February 6, 2026, the act allows terminally ill, mentally competent adults with 6 months or less to live to self-administer medication to end their lives. The subject of intensive negotiations between the legislature and Governor Hochul, the act contains more extensive safeguards than other aid in dying laws, including New Jersey's Medical Aid in Dying Act, effective since August 2019. Specifically, the act requires, Item 1, that 2 physicians determine that the patient meets the criteria to exercise rights under the law and an evaluation of capacity by a third healthcare professional who is a psychologist or psychiatrist. Item 2, that the patient have the physical ability to self-administer and swallow the medication. And Item 3, a 5-day waiting period between the time the prescription is written and it can be filled by the patient. The Act protects healthcare entities and providers from liability and professional discipline if they act or refuse to act in good faith and reasonably in accord with the Act. It bars life insurance companies from denying benefits in cases when a death occurs pursuant to the Act, and specifies that the death certificate list the underlying illness as the cause of death, not suicide. The Act becomes effective on August 5, 2026. For more information, contact Tracy E. Miller Counsel Healthcare at 973-403-3102 or tmiller@bracheichler.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for updates on new episodes. For more information and resources, visit bracheichler.com. This is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. Brach Eichler LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate, litigation, trusts and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property, and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax and cannabis law.